In this video, I will show you how you can offer a special price or a discount to your friend or a family to your Airbnb. Now, if you're expecting Airbnb to generate a code for you, which they can enter when they're booking and they will get a discount, unfortunately, it doesn't work like that on Airbnb, but there is a very easy way to offer a discount. Now, step number one is you need to have a link of your Airbnb listing, which you can pass on to the person you want to offer the discount to. If you don't know how to get the URL, let me just quickly show you. Log on to Airbnb from your computer. Once you're logged in, click on switch to hosting on the top right, and then click on menu and then go to listing. And on this page, choose the listing which you want to offer. If you just have one listing, you will see only one, but I have multiple listings. That's why it is showing a lot of listings. Once you click on the listing, your listing page will display, and then you need to go to the top right and you will see this preview listing icon. Click on that, and that will generate the URL for your listing, which you can share with them. So just copy this and send it to them whichever way you want. Once they've got the URL, they need to go on to Airbnb, register their account if it doesn't, and just paste your listing's URL in the address bar, and that will open your listing. They will need to choose the dates which they want to book for, and obviously your calendar will only display the dates that are available. In my example, I will choose these dates. And now, without clicking on the reserve button here, they need to scroll down to the bottom, and there they will see contact host option. They can click on this, and on this page they can drop you a quick message saying, "Hi, this is me," and then send a message. This will come across as an inquiry to you. So let me just show you how this works. They will say, "Hi, this is me," and click on send message. Once they have sent this message, this is how it will appear to you. It came across as an inquiry. Now you want to offer them a discount. You need to click on special offer here. Don't pre-approve. Just click on special offer, and that will open a new prompt, and you can just type in the price which you want to offer to that person, and down below it will show you the breakdown. Just note that the price you mention here is all inclusive price. This will include the Airbnb charges and everything, so keep that in mind. And when you click send special offer, it will go across as an offer to the other person. Let me show you how that appears there. Now, this is how it will appear to the person. They will see Prayas has sent to a special offer, book now, and they just need to click on that book now button. And now it will display them the custom special offer which you have sent, and not the usual price which they saw when they initially landed on this page. And all they need to do is just click on reserve and follow the prompts to pay for the booking. It is always a good idea to book through Airbnb. There is no way you can avoid commission and charges Airbnb takes from every booking, but I think it is a good thing to book it through Airbnb rather than booking directly with anyone, because Airbnb, although they take some money during the process, but they give you a lot of protection in case something goes terribly wrong. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're looking for some guidance on creating your Airbnb listing or putting your property on Airbnb, I will leave a link to my Airbnb ambassador profile in the description below. Just click on that link and you will be connected with me directly on Airbnb, where I can answer your questions. Until next time, bye-bye.